Hi everyone, picture this. You wake up on a morning to find that the beach you love is now underwater. The air is thick with the smoke from wildfires and the weather seems more extreme than ever. This isn't seen from science fiction movie. It's a reality we're already beginning to experience. If we do not take immediate action, that the world we know may be gone sooner than we think. So today, I want to talk to you about something that concerns all of us. Climate change, it's one of the biggest challenge humanity has ever faced. But here is the good news. We can still fight it. The most powerful weapon we have against climate change is simple, changing our daily habits and embracing sustainable lifestyle. And that's why I'm here today to convince you that the little choices we make every day can make a world of difference. Understanding the problem, let's start by understanding what's happening. We've all heard about the climate change, but we really grasp how much of it is driven by human activities. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, human actions like burning fossils, fuels, and deforestation, we are responsible for over 90% of our global warming. Since the mid 20th century, this means that we as a humans have been major driver of these issues. The air we breathe, the cars we drive, and the products we consume all contribute to the problem. Now, you might be thinking, but what can I do as one person? Well, that leads us to a good news. Every little action counts, but the first we need to do is understand the consequences of inaction. The impact of climate change. What's the cost of continuing down this path? It's not just about the ice caps melting, it's about the impact on us right now. We already see the effects of climate change. Rising sea levels are swallowing coastal cities. Wildfires rage more intensely every year, destroying lives and ecosystems, and that there are the wet waves, hurricanes, and floods that seem to be getting more frequent and severe. And it's not just nature that's suffering the climate change. It's health issues that link to respiratory problems and spread of disease and malnutrition due to a crop failure. So as you can see, the consequence of climate change affect us in many ways. And unfortunately, they only get worse if we do not take action now. The role of sustainable lifestyle, here is where we are individuals come into a picture. One of the most powerful ways we can fight climate change is by adopting sustainable lifestyles. Sounds simple, right? But what does that mean? It means making conscious choices every day, like reducing waste, conserving energy, supporting renewable energy, and choosing products that have minimal environmental impact. You might not realize it, but it's where every time you recycle bottle, use public transportation, or reduce your meat consumption, you're helping reduce your carbon footprint. For instance, did you know that the plant based diet can lower your carbon footprint up to 50%? That's right. By making simple changes in what we eat, we can drastically cut down on resources needed to produce food. Another example, by switching to energy efficient appliances or using LED bulbs, we can save not only energy but also money on our utility bills. The point is, these choices add up to collectively. If enough to people commit to sustainable habits, we can make massive impact. But it's not just about what we do individually. It's about the changes we can support in our communities. Call to action. How we can make a difference. Here's the most important part. We do make a difference. First, with your daily habits, use less plastic, try to use public transport or walk more, reduce your water usage, and support local sustainable businesses. These small challenges will start to add up over time. If every person in this room decides to adopt just a few of these habits, we would be making a giant step forward to fight against climate change. Second, advocate for a change at the large level. Support policies that promote renewable energy, carbon taxes, and climate friendly initiatives. Vote for leaders who take climate change seriously. This is crucial because systematic changes is necessary to address climate change on all global scale. Remember the power is in our hands. If we all work together, we can reverse the course of climate change one choice at a time. To wrap up, I want you to remember the climate change is one of the greatest challenges we ever faced, but not too late to change course. By adopting sustainable lifestyles and advocating for policy changes, we can reduce our import impact on the planet and ensure future of generations to come. So I ask you, what will you choose? Will you continue down a path of destruction or will you make small, sustainable changes that I can lead to a better future? Together, we have the power to make a real difference. Thank you.